So in the last episode, we've been making pretzel hugs, and now we're gonna make nuts and bolts. So we need pretzel sticks and weed, Chex,
rice,
Chex, corn Chex, Crispix, Crispix, Cheerios.
That's right. And what are these little things over here? What are these over here?
Those are so if you can see them now, they're the spices.
Okay, so what do we do first?
First we, put these in. You don't have to do the order we put them in. You can do whatever order anyway because it's still gonna work. So, yeah, you can tell about the golden boy. It's almost like, the true love or whatever it says. Yeah, because, he's giving the wheat Chex to her. So, alright, so, we pour them in first. So, yeah. And you can see my friend Humphrey is up here. He's gonna watch us. So, yeah. Alright, so I think we're gonna get started pouring these in. So, I need help with this. Gonna do good. I need help.
Oh, okay. So we're just gonna dump it in.
The whole thing. So next we're gonna do these. I really wanted to eat some of these. So it's looking pretty yummy, but don't eat them. Even though it looks like you want to eat them, you can't. So, we just have 2 more to go, I believe. Sometimes I trip when I do this. I'm very tall, so sometimes I trip when I do that. That these are all different colors. So, yeah. What's that for your hand? What? Good cleaning it up.
So what do we do now?
Before you stir, I guess put the nuts in. Alright, so we're gonna kind of hard to do it, but at least it's going to be yummy. Because it's way better than these kind of cereals. Because all these cereals, and it's probably going to taste like all of them. Because they are now. So now we're going to put 4 cups of oil on. All of it?
Oh yeah, throw it all on there. Good job. Just give it a squeeze all around.
It may look goozy to you guys.
Come on over here.
Did you hear me say that? Ooh. 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 Now you put the bottle of Worcestershire and
6 teaspoons, and you sprinkle it on.
so you know I need help with this. So let's sprinkle it on.
What are we sprinkling it on?
The stuff. Next we put the spice on.
Right, and the spices are 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 4 teaspoons of accent salt, 3 teaspoons of Lawry's seasoned salt, and 2 teaspoons of garlic salt. Then what do?
Stir it.
All right, we stir it up good.
It smells good though.
Mmm.
So we can get it all over the other stuff. Looks like soap, but it's not soap.
After it's stirred up, where does it go?
So let's put it in the oven for 2 hours. And then you make it warm up, and then
What is the temperature of the oven?
25.
225 degrees
Yep.
for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, you let it cool off, but every half hour, Mommy has to stir to get those spices and yummy taste around, right?
So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you later.